So next process or the next step is to create a forgot password setup in our web application. So there are a few steps before you have to do in order to create this setup. So in this video I'll be showing to generate and have password separately. So have a closer look how I create or generate my app password using my Google account. And let's move forward. You have to log into your Google account in order to switch on your two-step verification using your user credentials and give next. As you all can see, I have already generated a separate app password for my eShop web application. So in order to generate an app password, you can see how I create. So I duplicate a password in order to show you a demo of how I created my password, and then click generate and you will get an app password for your device. So just copy and paste it in your notebook, notepad, or somewhere in your computer so that it will be used in the coding part in the latter section of our video. And click done and save it in your device in a notepad. As you can see, you have created or generated an app password in shop. So I'll be reviewing it as I've already created my app password. And then let's move to the coding part of our process. So this is the coding part of the forgot password add-on, and we'll see how this works out. So first of all, I have set my cookies in the index file. And I have created separate div for each part of the process and created ID as email too, and created an ID for our password. And in on click I have called the functions. So on our on click you can see I have created a forgot password function. And also this is the part where I have created the remember me add-on. In our sign-in process we have set our cookies and connected it to the database. So this is the part where we do the forgot password process. I've created a separate file for naming forgot password process.php and connected all the PHP files we require and I've set an if using an if statement. I've set to receive our email for the verification code. So as you can see, we have connected our database and created a unique ID to access. As you can see, this is the password where we already generated, that password we generated. So we have to copy and paste that generated app password over here and give our account, Google account, give an Google account for the username, and also you have to provide an account to reset your password so that you will receive a confirmation email to that Google account you have given. And I have set the subject to eShop forgot password verification code. I'll be showing you how it will appear in your Google account mail. So if it's a failure, then I have created an if statement in order to display verification code sending failed. If not, to echo as success. So we'll see how it works over here. And also you can see I have created a different separate file for the reset process of the password. So I've connected our PHP file, and using post method I have hold all the variables I have created. And when looking at the script.js file, I have already called the function as forgot password, and I have got hold of the elements using a document.getElementById, and I have created a new form set using an XML HTTP request. You can see the design part of the process. Let's look at the outcome of our process. So this is the pop-up box. As you can see, we have created a password. So this is the verification code of our eShop, and copy and paste it. Paste the verification code while entering a new password. And on one click, I have called a reset password function in order to reset our password inside the model box. And also I've created a show password on the on click of our app of the mouse, so that the password you type can be seen or visible to you.